everyone, Marlene here with Buffalo Check Chicks, and today I have my daughter Lisa with me.
Hello.
And I have a haul. Lisa has a haul, and we just got shopping, and believe it or not, we went to Walmart. And I don't think I've ever done a Walmart haul, but why not? So I hope everyone is doing okay and surviving. If you're like us, the summer heat, we are hitting what today? What did it say?
108.
108, and I think 110 tomorrow. So I also want to wish all the dads out there a very happy Father's Day. Okay, Lisa, what'd you find at Walmart?
I found this really pretty necklace for $4.
I really like that. And the chain is so pretty. See if you can get it a little bit closer. It's gonna, there. Yeah, that's pretty. I like that because it's just simple and it goes with anything.
Yep. Some new PJs.
Those are so
Bengal
cute.
tigers.
Hot pink with Bengal tigers.
It's a short top with shorts on the back.
Yeah, those are cute.
Uh-huh.
And how much were they?
Like $10. 9 something.
Yeah,
And then
those are
these
cute.
ones, these are little dogs. It's the same thing, shorts on the back. Yep.
That is really cute. So, and I got myself some new nightgowns, and I love them because I like to wear them sometimes all day, like a house coat or something. But these are actually dresses, and they're just a solid color t-shirt dress, and it's long. It's just very simple. But I think these are going to be really comfortable to wear, and I do like the gold color.
Mm-hmm.
And
looks good on you.
$9.98. So, and I think I got one more of these. Yeah, this is kind of like a rust. They had a real pretty, kind of like a melon color, but they didn't have it my size. So this is another one I found.
I would call this one terracotta.
Yeah, $9.98. Just a t-shirt, tank dress, and they come in sizes from extra small all the way up to double X. $9.98. So that's a good deal. And then these are some nightgowns I found, and they were all $7.98. And this is really cute. What's it say on there? I can't read it. It says, "Meet me at the beach, sun, sand, and waves," and it has the palm trees on it. And these are really nice because they actually have pockets in them.
Mm-hmm.
So, like I say, it's a nightgown, but why not wear it around the house? Keep yourself cool in the summer. Oh, this is the same print as yours,
Yeah,
Lisa.
she got the dog one too.
I got the dog one. I can never resist a nightgown, and it. Let me see if I can. And it says "doggone tired" on it, but it has all different kinds of dogs laying in their doggy beds. And then the last one I got, and this one's really summery and bright, is lemons
I like
on
this
a
one.
hot pink. So I think we're all set for
Mm-hmm.
summer, at least in the PJ department.
Yep.
So I notice in the summertime, my face is so dry, and it's really, how would you describe it? Dull. My skin is dull and just flaky and dry.
I could see a difference.
Well, I just tried it today, but I wanted to share it with you and see if any of you know anything about this. It's Korea Snail Revitalizing Skincare. Comes in this little box. And the sizes, I was surprised. I thought they'd be much smaller. And it's a set. If I can get it out. I did use it this morning. It starts in.
It has snail slime.
It is snail slime. And if that's the trick to Korean skin, and they actually say it's Japanese, then I'll put snail slime on my face. So this is the Essential Cleaning Gel, and I'm not kidding you, just use a minute amount like what you said, about a half a dime. Rub it lightly with water and it just foams and it's really nice. So you start off with that. And I'm not a face care person, so this is all new to me. And being that I am almost 60, am I almost 69? I am. I'll be 69 in October. I need it. So this is also the snail, Korea snail. This is the eye cream. And I did use that. But I've washed my face since I've been home
Your face
because,
looks shiny.
oh, well, it feels good. It's really light. And the serum, and I guess this is for like fine lines and wrinkles. And I have enough of those. And then this one here is the toner. And I really like this. It made my skin feel really good. And like I say, the bottles are pretty good size for a trial kit. It was $17.99, and I got this on Amazon. I got myself a set, and I wanted Lisa to try it with me. She hasn't done it yet, but we'll let you know how this goes. And then the last cream is this, it's just a cream for your face with hyaluronic acid in it, but it goes on really light on your skin. So it really feels good. So I'm going to see how that goes. And we haven't got it yet, but years ago I tried this product. Well, this is the Korean vitamin C nighttime face moisturizer. And that I ordered through Amazon, but it hasn't come yet. So Lisa and I are going to try that out too. And I'll let you know how that goes. Okay, so what else? What else? So Lisa and I have been so hot. Now, you know, at my old house, I had a pool, a built-in pool.
Yep.
And this year I have a 10-foot by 6-foot deluxe inflatable pool. And it's big, don't you think, Lisa?
Mhm.
It is.
Yep, you could fit 4 adults in there.
It is large. And I think you can get about 24 inches of water in there, which is plenty. And Lisa has been in. I haven't. And she got the cutest swimsuit this summer. I'll put a picture of it up here. And she found that on Amazon, right?
Yeah.
It is really
It's like
cute.
a little sailor swimsuit.
It's so cute. I love it. So, yeah, I'm going to use the same old swimsuit I have, but this one that she bought is really, really cute. So, oh, and to go with that, because it is deep enough, I'm trying to find where I put it. Here it is. I haven't blown this up yet. I got this at Dollar General, and it's just one of those rings that you sit in and float around the pool. And it is deep enough that you can actually float around in it. And what I liked about this is it has, you can't see by the picture, but it has like a mesh down here so your behind doesn't go through. So I'll blow that up. And I think I'm going to go in the pool tonight.
Yeah, I'm going to go in the pool.
So what else did we get at Walmart? Well, I ran out of these, so I got soft soap. I got 2 of these. These are the lemon, and they smell good. And I got 2 of the cherry. Lisa snagged one of those.
Mhm.
And I got 2 of the coconut. 99 cents. You can't beat it. You know what? I think Walmart has a bad name,
I don't think so.
but they have really good buys. In fact, I needed to buy some new pillows, and these are just their brand, the mainstay. But I got 2 new pillows. These are just the regular size pillows, and these are says provides extra firm support. So I got 2 of those, and the reason I needed them was I bought another bed. I bought a double bed. I do not have it put together yet, but I bought it on Amazon, the frame. I'll put a picture up here. And then I bought a new mattress, and it's very similar to the new mattress I bought for my bed. And I'll put a picture of that up here. And believe it or not, I got this on Temu. And it's funny because I bought it on Temu, but it is an American product made in America and it was shipped, I want to say from Wisconsin or something. So I'm anxious to get that together. And I don't have an extra guest room right now, so I am putting it in my room. And yes, my bedroom is big enough to hold it. So good for guests. So I'm going to get that together. And I did buy, because my room has the red roses and it's done in red, I had to buy a new set of sheets. I'll show you the picture. These I got on Amazon. They're so pretty. And they kind of remind me of my curtains, really. They're white, but they have red branches, kind of wintry scene, really, with red cardinals on it. So I put a picture here and how much it was, because I can't remember off the top of my head. And then since my bedspread is red, but I have a custom-made bedspread, so you can't buy the same. I found a really pretty solid red, did I get it upside down? Yeah. Red quilt. It's not a real heavy quilt, but it's nice. So once I get that together, I'll try to remember to show you a picture what my bedroom looks like with 2 beds in there. So that'll be interesting. So I really don't think there's too much else. Can you think of anything else we've been doing?
No.
My garden is a jungle. I'll probably do a little garden tour next week. It's crazy. I can't keep up with it. I've got cucumbers coming out my ears, and I make a cucumber salad, and it's basically just...
It's so good.
My kids love it. I slice cucumbers, and then if I have red onion, I'll slice some red onion and put in there. You can put some tomatoes in there. I'll throw some of my tomatoes from my garden in there. And it is good, isn't it? It's really refreshing. So maybe next week we'll do a little garden tour. And one other thing, we're expecting a couple more rings in. We're going to do a Temu ring. We bought, let's see, how many rings did you get? You got pink.
I think it's 3 for each finger.
And blue. And
Yeah.
they're beautiful. And I got some purple rings. So we'll do a little jewelry haul from Temu. So that's it for now, guys. So I will let you go. I'll see you soon. Have a wonderful summer. And again, to the dads out there, happy Father's Day. Love you guys. See you soon. Bye for now. Ready, Lisa?
Yeah.